Welcome, in front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage and USB. You can scroll down till you see your SD card at the bottom, tap on it, and from here tap on the three dots, go to Settings and Format. Or erase and format, and this will begin removing all the data from SD card. Now this takes only a couple seconds, and once it's finished as it is right now, the card is immediately ready to be used once more. As you can see, it pops this up with asking you if you want to set it up as a default writing disk, so if you take photos it will automatically save to the SD card. So if you don't want it, tap on cancel. If you do, tap on OK. Done, and we're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.